While your forearms are small, the only exercise you need. You're training hard. Your biceps are growing, your back is getting wider, but look down. Those forearms? They're your weak link. Your grip is failing on deadlifts, and your physique looks unbalanced. You need to fix this, and you need to fix it fast. I'm going to cut the nonsense. You only need one exercise to turn those twigs into ropes. The core mistake. You're doing two things wrong. First, you're relying on light, fluffy wrist curls. Your forearms are highly resilient muscles built for brutal, prolonged grip. They laugh at those pink dumbbells. Second, you're hoping heavy deadlifts are enough. They help, but they're not direct stimulus. If you want massive forearms, you have to hit them directly with maximum overload. The only solution, the farmer's carry. Forget everything else. The king of forearm builders is the farmer's carry. It's simple, but it's pure savagery. You need two pieces of weight that make you question your life. Pick up the heaviest dumbbells or kettlebells you can barely hold for a short duration. The key to growth isn't just holding it, it's the active squeeze. Imagine you're trying to crush the handles into dust. Stand tall, brace your core, and walk with purpose. This creates continuous, intense, isometric tension, the exact recipe for forearm growth. You will do 4 sets of farmer's carries twice a week. Aim for a 30 to 45 second hold. If you can hold it longer than 45 seconds, go heavier. Do this at the end of your workout. Your hands will scream, but your forearms will explode. Stop making excuses. Stop trying 5 different exercises. Find the heaviest weight you can handle. Pick them up and walk. Commit to this. Level up your grip, level up your physique. That's the truth. Now get off the couch and go train like a warrior. I'll see you in the next one.